Meaning of impinge.
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 Impinge. The word impinge means to have an effect or impact, especially a negative one, on something or someone. This can manifest in various ways, such as causing damage or creating obstacles to progress. The consequences of impinging can range from minor inconvenience to serious harm, depending on the context and magnitude of the impact. It can also refer to physical contact, such as two objects colliding or people encroaching on each other's personal space. In essence, impinging is a term used to describe the interference or disturbance that one entity can have on another.